So on Magento platform, what are the best practices for keeping the merchant e-commerce secured?
I mean, definitely Magento releases security patches. That's a very first step, that as soon as those security patches are released, as the name signifies, we are supposed to install them. So that keeps your Magento store secure. Magento also comes up with, Adobe Commerce also comes up with version upgrades. So in a year, roughly, they come up with 2 or 3 version upgrades now. So it is advised that those versions are upgraded in a timely fashion. In addition to that, we have a checklist of things that we perform on a Magento store, like change the default admin URL, change the default admin user, secure the files by changing permissions to read-only, should not have executable files, and just follow the Magento architecture and framework. So we have a checklist of those 20 things that we apply to a Magento store when we onboard a particular customer.
Okay, but nowadays security is key. So are there other things that you can make to make this site more secure?
Absolutely. So for other things and keeping the Magento store very, very secure, we, first of all, all our staff uses a vault. So our customer credential in stores definitely needs to be secure. They are not exploited. They are not shared. So that is very important. The second thing that we do is we use tools like Sakuri or Sensec, and those tools continuously monitor your Magento store. And whenever there's a malware that is identified, our team is notified, jump on it, and we remedy the situation. There are times that has happened where these server tools have not been able to identify the malware. Mm-hmm. So in addition to that, our team also on a regular schedule scan the site through various desktop antivirus software like McAfee and all. So when you browse a site, and so we have automation in place where we browse a site, and whenever there's a malware that is detected. So either of these things should be able to catch the malware and keep your store secure.